What's going on, you guys? This is Mike with the owner of Trushine Cleaning. Out here at a repeat customer. I've been out here a few times. She called me out to do the carpet here at this Bermuda Heights apartment. I don't know how to turn my camera on. So, doing this carpet here. They don't have no lights in this townhome in these rooms, so they got the rooms upstairs. My nephew up there cleaning the carpet up there. Carpet upstairs looks pretty good. This one, I want to have to do some agitating around the entryways. So you guys here. So we're doing this one here. As you see, this is how I got everything set up as well. So I'm pulling power from this unit to power the vacuum, pulling power from that unit to power the vacuum. I'm using my generator to power my pressure line. So should be able to be in and out of these units. Once we're done vacuuming and pre-spraying everything should come out good. So have to move this stuff to the kitchen. I think this one is good too. Have to see how everything looks up under there. But for the most part, hopefully, everything will come out. I think the light's out in this, so hopefully I can still get a good cleaning on these steps without no light. So this room was good. This room was good. Has a lot of debris that needs to be vacuumed up, but for the most part, everything was good. So, and I'm doing this one right here across the walkway. It's good that they're all in the same area. I ain't have to move my machine too much, so that's a good thing. Now I am going to have to agitate this. As you can see, that's a soiled line. They probably had a area rug there for quite some time, and this was just a walkway. So I'm going to have to definitely agitate around those areas. But out of all the units that I'm doing, this area is probably the worst. So this one does need some vacuuming. So, but I'm gonna have my nephew do all the vacuuming, and then I'm going to be right behind him with the pre-spray and let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. And what areas that needs to be agitated, I will agitate them. So I may agitate this room as well because of this little area here, but I'll see how it looks after he get done vacuuming. Believe it or not, vacuuming pulls up a lot of loose debris. But yep. Let me go ahead and get started. He should be on his way down to these two units. So, I'm gonna get ready to start pre-spraying.